Hey friends, it's Gabrielle Ishell. Today's video is going to be a fun, quick video. I have an Ulta haul for you guys. So, my boyfriend took me on a random shopping spree for no reason. Just told me to pick whatever I wanted in Ulta, and I got a lot of stuff. So, let me show you guys what I got. First, I got this Mielle Mango and Tulsi Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. I love mango, and I was excited because it smells so good. It's like, it smells tropical, and of course it's Mielle. I love Mielle products, and I'm always looking for leave-in conditioners because I feel like those are very important for any wash day. So I'm really excited about this. Let's read a little bit. It's supposed to nourish to improve the appearance of both hair and scalp, restores moisture while reducing the appearance of breakage and frizz. It provides great detangling, and scalp maintains vital nourishment for reuse. And I love this. So it's not only focused on the hair but the scalp, and we know healthy scalp is good for healthy hair overall. So I'm really excited to try this one out. Next, I think these are the last two items that I got, or last three items I got for hair products, but this is the line by Tabitha Brown, I think her name is, the girl that went viral for making like the vegan bacon with carrots. Anyways, this is Donna recipe. It's a hair vitamin gummies. It has biotin in here for longer, stronger, healthier hair. 60 vegan strawberry pieces, so of course vegan. Congratulations, you are on a new healthy hair journey with Donna's recipe, helping you along the way because that's your business. Biotin is a key ingredient that supports healthy hair growth. A bonus is that biotin is also great for skin and nails. So it says suggested use: take 2 gummies once daily, do not exceed more than 8 gummies within 24 hours, and it's supposed to help grow the hair. So 60 vitamins, that means this should be good for a month. So I'll do a whole video on this, you don't have to worry. Then I have Donna Recipes Sweet Potato Pie, extra creamy hair cream. It's rich and sweet. And oh, so Sweet Potato Pie is the name of the line. Has a little pie on the side of it, which I think is kind of cute. So, made with natural sweet potatoes, stirred with vanilla and sprinkled with warm cinnamon. The perfect hair recipe to give your hair an extra boost of moisture and shine. I just apply small amounts of damp or dry hair, styles desired. So I wanted to look for a deep conditioner, but I didn't see that in this line when I went to Ulta. So I got a moisturizing conditioner. This is an extra creamy moisturizing conditioner from the Sweet Potato Pie line, also by Donna's Recipe. Sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, which aids cell growth and helps prevent dullness in hair. Cinnamon removes buildup from the scalp for healthy follicles. And vanilla is rich in minerals to stimulate blood circulation on your scalp to aid in hair growth. So, it says honey, a dessert for your hair. Donna has done it again with this made in heaven sweet potato pie conditioner recipe that your scalp and your hair will surely love. Indulge in Donna's signature creamy, rich, sweet aroma conditioner to bring goodness and joy to every wash. So once again, I'll be doing a review on this to see how it works. And we'll just see. We'll see. So stay tuned if you're interested in seeing that. But these are the 3 products that I got from her line. So I'm really excited to try them out and see if they're any good. Have you guys tried these ones out yet or not? Let me know in the comments below. And then I got a Morphe Ultra Lavender brush set. It was $38. US value was $79. But I got it for, well, my boyfriend bought it for $38. And it just has a whole bunch of makeup brushes in here. It's really cool. Morphe is a really good brand, high-end. I don't have anything from Morphe, so I'm excited. And this is purple. So that's really why I got it, because I originally wasn't going to get it because I'm not really into makeup like that. But I think my face looks good today. When I went to church, actually, my dad, he said, "Oh, you beat your face." And I was like, yeah, I did. But anyways, this is what it looks like, and I'm really excited to try them out. My boyfriend actually suggested that I get them because he knows I love purple. So we'll see what they're about. Then I got some other makeup products. I got this Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm, and oh my god, this is in the color Rose Rave. I'll open it really quick just to show you guys. Oh my god, packaging. I love her packaging. It's so beautiful. And then on the inside, oh my god, this is so pretty. I don't even know if this video is doing it any justice. It's really pretty. I'm really excited. Let's do a little swatch. I washed my hands, so it was really light. But it's like a really nice shimmer. Hopefully you can see this. It's like right there. You can't really see it. I'm really excited to try this out. If I do try this out before I post the video, I'll let you see a picture of it on me because the swatch is not working out. My hands are a little dry, so we're just not going to do that. And then I got some Too Faced products. This is the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Matte Long Wearing Lipstick in the color Suck It. And it's funny because I already have a melted, but it's a lip gloss. It's a lipstick. It's not a matte. It's like a glossy finish. So, and it's almost in this shade, but I wanted to try matte. And then I also have the Too Faced Superfine Ultra Slim Brow Pencil in the color Dark Brown. So in my empties video, and I'm sorry for the light, I always wear these light color shirts when I do videos, knowing that you can't really see me, so I look like I'm kind of invisible on this side. But anyways, in my empties video for makeup products, I mentioned that I was trying to find something that I can use in place or in conjunction with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil. So I'm gonna try this one out to see what it's about, and I'll let you know, of course, if I like it. But really excited because I do like Too Faced products. I don't know the exact price that my boyfriend paid for all of that stuff. That was one trip to Ulta. It was like $230 something. That was really nice of him. Really appreciated it. Then I went back to Ulta and I got some more stuff. I got some gift cards to Ulta. I spent $57 on 2 products. And I really hope they're worth it. They're by Coarseness. I've been wanting to try Coarseness for the longest time, so I'm really excited about them. I got the Curl Conditioning Oil and Cream. It is a leave-in cream for curly or coily hair. Moisture, it nourishes, and it shines. All of our products are naturally curl-friendly and gentle enough for daily use. All blended carefully in small batches under strict supervision by a master curlsmith. So that is pretty good. They are free of sulfates, parabens, silicones, mineral oils, phthalates, and DEA. Cruelty-free, no sulfates, no silicones. They're vegan as well. We shook the hands that harvested our ingredients. Some of the ingredients in the leave-in are resurrection flour, grated carrots, rare and deroba, squeezed olive oil, and aloe and basil blend. Excellent for teeny weeny afros, wash and go, LLC or LCO method, braids, and twist outs. Great primer for styling products. It does not flake, it's non-greasy, and it's non-crunchy. So I'm really looking forward to, I told you I was looking for new leave-ins, and this has always been on my list, so I'm really, really excited for this one. Then I also got the Curlsmith Double Cream Deep Quencher. It's a deep conditioner. It's for dry, dull hair. Ultra Moisture, Enhance, and Revive are the key things it does. And it says one of our hand-picked ingredients, so it kind of highlights this one ingredient. It's called the Resurrection Flour. It can survive without any water for up to 3 years, which is kind of amazing. These moisture retention qualities make it the perfect ingredient for a hair product. Other ingredients in this product are mashed avocado, aloe vera juice, which we know I love, apricot kernel, rare and deroba, and sunflower seeds. So I love this. It sounds really good. I'm really excited for these Coarseness products. My brother actually kind of told me to go to Ulta. They were having a nice sale for the big products, like the, I'll see if I can find a picture of it, but I didn't want to get that because this is my first time trying to brand it all together. So, and they're already expensive, so I just wanted to try it out with these 2 smaller ones. The Leave-in conditioner was $26 and the deep conditioner was $28. Total came to $54 plus tax, maybe $57. So we'll see if it's worth it. Stay tuned for a video. Okay, and then I went to Sephora. So my brother and sister-in-law got me this really nice present, but I had already actually had that at home. So I took it back to Sephora and I got some other things to replace it. And of course I got some makeup. I got the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 340. So I already used Fenty. I actually have Fenty on my skin right now, but I don't have the powder foundation. I'm excited to try this one out just to see what it does, because I do have the loose powder that you do to keep the liquid foundation in place. But I'm really excited to try this out. And the girl that I had was so very helpful at Sephora, and the reason I went in there is because actually I was looking for a rare beauty product. I ended up getting two, and I'm waiting for another one to come in stock. But the ones that I got were the Positive Light Under Eye Brightener in the color medium tan. And I tried this in the store. I tried this in another Sephora and they didn't actually have it in my color. So I was going all around looking for this shade. It was really good. So you can use it. The girl was very helpful there too, the first Sephora that I went to, but you can use it under your eyes as like a daily concealer, and it's supposed to look very natural and it doesn't look like you have concealer on. So I really like that one. And I also got the Liquid Touch Brightening Concealer in the shade 400W. This one is also by Rare Beauty, the shade 400W, and it's really cool too. So I'm going to just show you the packaging, and I have to show you a picture of the actual inside. Actually, I can open it. So this one, I already know what it looks like on the inside because like I said, I tried it on in the store. But look at this applicator. It's like a metal tip, and it's cool to the touch. So it feels, and you can't really see it because there's concealer on it, but it's cool to the touch and it feels really good under your eyes. So that's going to be really good for me. I'm excited for that. And then I got stuff from Fenty Beauty's site. So your girl was shopping. So I got what, five things here. And I'm signed up for their text messages, which is probably not as good as it sounds, because I get notifications all the time and it's very tempting. This time I gave in because it was free shipping and the products that I wanted were on sale. So I got 3 of the Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balms in the shades Cocoa Drizzle, Pinch Me, and Latte Lips. And they were so pretty. Really excited for these. And then I also got a kabuki brush. It's the Face and Body kabuki brush. I only have a few of the brushes from Fenty Beauty, so it was cool to get another one because they're so pretty. Like, her packaging and just the items in general are so beautiful. So I love adding on to my Fenty Beauty collection. And then I got this body sauce. So there were a lot of sort of bad reviews on this, but there were some good ones too. So we'll see. I have to see for myself. But this one is the body sauce in the color Agave Spice. And so this is basically almost like a bronzer for your body. Let's open it. Beautiful, beautiful. So you see how it looks like foundation basically? This is supposed to be sort of like my skin color. So it's like a bronzer. I think I would probably wear it more in the summertime. So a lot of people reviewed it and said that the product kind of transferred onto your clothing, which it claims not to do. So that's a big deal. I think if something claims to do one thing and it does the total opposite, I could see why people get mad, especially if they have like more expensive clothes or clothes that are very meaningful to you and you don't want to get them messed up. But some things like this, I would probably test it out with something like this because I don't really care if it gets dirty or not. But anyways, this is really exciting. It's a lightweight all over glow, instant body blur. And so it's just a glow. y'all gonna see me glowing, and I'll let you, of course, I'll let you know what I think of these products, but I do not even have a total here. It was like $70 something at Fenty. The first trip to Ulta we spent $230. Second trip to Ulta was $57. The trip to Sephora, it was about $90, but like I said, it was in exchange for a product that I already had, got as a gift. So I didn't only pay $5 from a gift card, so I didn't actually pay anything for that. And then Fenty, I spent about $70. So I got a lot of good stuff in the last couple of months, and I'm really excited to try them out. Of course, I'll let you know what I think of them. You'll probably see them in empties videos and my favorites videos of 2023 later on in the year. So yes, you'll see them again. You'll see them again for sure. Or my declutter if I don't like them. So you'll definitely see them somewhere. I think that's it for this video. I got a lot of cool things from Fenty Beauty. A lot of the stuff is actually from Fenty Beauty between the 3 stores. I got Rare Beauty, and then I got some hair products, some from Tabitha Brown, and then I got some Curl Smith items. So I got a lot of good stuff here. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you have any of these items that I showed you here in this haul. If you don't, let me know which item was your favorite that I showed you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified whenever I post. And until the next post, I'll see you guys later. Bye.